Në NBA po mbahet vikendi All-Starit. Stephen Curry i Golden State Warriors u shpall fituesi i gjuajtjeve për 3 pikë në mëngjesin e të dielës në New York. Në raundin e parë, më i miri doli bashkëlojtari i tij Klay Thompson që shënoi 24 treshe, ndërsa në vendin e dytë dhe të tretë u pozicionuan Stephen Curry dhe Kyrie Irving me nga 23 treshe. Në raundin final, Stephen Curry shënoi më së shumti treshe 27, duke e thyrë rekordin e Jason Kaponos, i cili në vitin 2008 në raundin final kishte shënuar 25 treshe. Në vendin e dytë doli Kyrie Irving me 17 treshe, ndërsa në vendin e tretë Klay Thompson shënoi 14. Kështu, për All-Star Weekendin 2015, fituesi i garës për 3 pikë doli Stephen Curry nga Golden State Warriors. Në garën e ngulitjeve, fitues doli Zach LaVine i Minnesota Timberwolves. Pjesëmarrës tjerë ishin Mason Plumlee i Brooklyn Nets,
I think they're going to go and count the first one, though.
Well, either way, I think they're probably about the same score.
They saw the...
Giannis Antetokounmpo i Milwaukee Bucks
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
dhe Victor Oladipo i Orlando Magic. Në raundin e parë, më të mirët ishin Victor Oladipo dhe Zach LaVine, i cili impresionoi si me ngulitje, po ashtu edhe me fanelen e Michael Jordan që e pati në filmin Space Jam.
Yeah, man, because this guy is unbelievable. Oh! Yes, he is. But I tell you, do something special. He says, I want to fit.
And I was going to give this kid Bruin love. This is special right here.
Yeah, this is special.
This is special.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, young
Man, look at his head.
Go
Look at his head. Look at his head. His head almost hit the rim.
Oh, my goodness.
His head hit the rim, Kenny. Look at his head.
Oh, my goodness. Slow it down one more time for me. Now, that's real.
Në raundin final, nga votat e juris, më i miri doli Zach LaVine që mori 94 pikë, duke qenë fituesi i garës së ngulitjeve për vitin 2015 në All-Star.
He throws it. He puts it behind his back. He's not even worried about it. He's not even thought of.
Zach LaVine.
Running the thought of.
Holding
Lower.
the basketball.
When Peyton was holding, but holding it lower. But when you see it in slow motion and how high his head is next to the rim. Oh, he got this one. He got that one. He's got that one.
Competitor to win. 19-year-old Zach LaVine. Kobe won it when he was.
Why you hating? 49. That gives LaVine a total score of what? Thank you so much.
Last Minnesota Timberwolves player to win, 1994, Isaiah Ryder.